Budding knife, a useful tool in gardening. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, budding knife. This term is especially useful for those interested in gardening or botany. So, let's dive in and understand what a budding knife is and how it's used. A budding knife is a specialized tool used in gardening. It's designed specifically for the process of budding, a method of plant propagation. This knife has a very sharp blade and often includes a budding flap, a small protrusion used to lift the bark of a plant. The sharpness of the blade is crucial as it ensures a clean cut, which is vital for the successful grafting of buds onto another plant. Budding involves taking a bud from one plant and grafting it onto another. The main steps include selecting a healthy bud, cutting it carefully with the budding knife, and then attaching it to the host plant. This process is used to propagate new plants that retain the characteristics of the bud donor. It's a skillful technique and requires practice to perfect. There are various types of budding knives available, each suited for different types of plants and budding techniques. Some common types include the standard budding knife, which is the most versatile, and the folding budding knife, which is convenient for carrying around. Choosing the right knife depends on the type of plants you are working with and your comfort with the tool. Taking care of your budding knife is essential for its longevity and effectiveness. It involves regular sharpening of the blade, cleaning it after each use, and storing it in a dry place. A well-maintained budding knife not only makes the budding process easier but also ensures the health and success of the grafted plants. And that's all about the budding knife. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what a budding knife is, its importance in gardening, and how to take care of it. Whether you're a gardening enthusiast or just curious about plant propagation, knowing about this tool can be quite beneficial. Happy gardening, and see you in our next video.